Welcome back to the channel, guys. I have something very interesting. This is a little different from what I do. One of my friends, he's a master tech at Tate in Frederick, Maryland, and he's doing a teardown. Now, every time I hear people complain about cars having electrical problems, sometimes I wonder, is it an electrical problem or is it a mouse problem? Now, in the comment section, you have to let me know, have you had any issues with rodents in your cars, like tearing through wires? I've heard of people having these problems. It seems like it's whenever someone parks their car like in like an old garage or like a barn where it's not sealed correctly or it's just not like protected well enough, and mice just somehow manage to get in. And of course, up here in Maryland, you know, because of the cold, mice tend to want to come inside around this time frame, so they might find their way inside your car. So you might want to do some updates to your garage, your house, wherever you park your car at, to prevent this from happening. So let's go ahead and get into the video. So really quickly, how did the customer know there's a mouse in the car?
There's a mouse. Usually droppings.
Dropping, okay.
Droppings. A lot of times paper shoot up. You can tell by that. Sometimes it's dead, so you can smell it. But by then, you know, he's already been through a lot of the stuff inside.
He already has a colony probably going on over here.
Droppings pretty much gives it up.
True.
Yeah.
Wow. And there's droppings like everywhere in here too. Jeez.
In this case, he came in for the part sensor system not working.
Oh, okay. So they chewed through the tunnel.
That, I gotta take that sensor back out.
Okay.
And put that seal back in it.
Gotcha. Got you.
But there wasn't chewing going on behind the bumper.
Okay.
Then from that point, I told the guy, "Hey, you probably got inside."
Wow.
Yeah.
Jeez.
Right.
Well, I mean, you pretty much figured out what's going on. You just have to replace some of the wires and everything like that.
I'm trying to go for the harness.
Mm-hmm.
Cause you know, like I was saying, the guy fixing that point right there, putting everything back together, and having him come back because something else gave up.
Okay.
Because we don't see every little thing.
Right.
Right now, the only thing that is not working is the part sensors, but
got you.
He could have shoot up in different spots. But it all depends on the insurance company.
Okay.
To do this harness, it will be the whole.
Now, is this Chrysler insurance, like the warranty?
No, car insurance.
Oh, car insurance. Got you. Oh, okay, got you. That's good to know.
They cover wire damage by mice and stuff.
Oh, okay. I didn't know that. By rodent. Okay, yeah. That's good to know.
Yeah. But this harness goes all the way from back here.
Mm-hmm.
It goes to the headliner.
Gotcha.
It goes to the dash, all the way under the hood.
Do you have to take the dash off too?
Possibly, yeah.
Oh, wow.
Depending how deep the connectors go.
Yeah. Well, this is a perfect time to clean your interior.
Yeah, pretty much. I'm gonna have to vacuum everything, man.
Yeah. Oh, you're gonna vacuum everything?
I've done it before.
Yeah.
This is not the worst I've seen. I've seen a Charger that is horrible.
Really?
Horrible, I'm telling you. Like, nasty inside.
Wow. You gotta wear like probably special gear.
Yeah. Now the one guy, like, that right there was through the whole car.
Really?
Yep.
Dang.
Yep. Like, this one is not a safe one. I can take a vacuum and get a mask and vacuum it real quick.
Wow. Well, I didn't know that insurance would pay for something like this. So that's something new to me. So if you do need some service done, this is who I always ask for. He does all the hard stuff. All the electrical stuff, they always give these jobs to him. So if you do have an issue, be sure to ask for Elu. He'll take care of you guys, all right?
Yes, sir.
Oh, really? In the plastic?
Look at the vent.
Oh, wow. That's crazy. And you say he was bringing dog food through here?
All that is dog food.
What?
Bro,
that's crazy.
I started it last week. I tore it like halfway apart.
Mm-hmm.
Then the guy wanted everything out, the insurance guy, so here we are. This is the way it usually goes. It's to insurance covers it. Yes.
Man, that's crazy. So you sit on this side over here. A mouse built a nest, right, using some of the insulation in the car.
Yep.
Dude, that's crazy. Check that out. You said there's a baby mouse? Oh yeah, there is a baby mouse in there. What? That's crazy. Oh, thank you, bro.
Yeah.
So there's a baby mouse right there. Wow. So basically the mouse is bringing food from the garage inside of the car. Just to give you perspective. You think they were coming through the glove box, you say?
No, I don't think it's coming from that. I think it's coming from back here.
Oh, from back here. So they chewed up that little plastic
so
vent.
that right there. But I mean, there's so many ways. I mean, he can't even come in through there.
Oh, true.
But this only covers right here.
Okay.
So it could be.
So they can go through that little hole, you think? Wow.
Right from the vent, it comes through here, or even there. I mean, but there's foam.
That's oh, okay.
I don't see any short on this, but
okay. Wow. That's crazy. So they chewed through that plastic vent. That is insane, bro. What? Yep. So as you guys can see, he's literally taking everything out of the Jeep. The seats, all the carpet, all the trim pieces. I think the only thing that's in there is probably just the dash and the roof. That's it. This is all the trunk pieces right here. All the paneling. Spare tires right there. Center console. So I guess the customer had some issues with the car, and I guess, yeah. It's been a week since I got that footage that I just showed you guys, and Elu has pretty much finished it up, and he did tell me that it took him about 28 hours in total to tear down that interior. So as you guys heard in the video, I didn't know that. If you have any rodents bite through your wires or eat through your wires or do any damage, the insurance company does actually pay for stuff like that. So that was news to me. I had no idea. Now, I've never had that happen to me, but all in all, it took him, I think, probably 3 or 4 days to go through the wires. He took apart the dash. He did wind up taking the roof off too, because the mouse had a bunch of dog food in the liner of the roof, and it peed and pooped up there too, so they wound up replacing that. So I think one thing you can learn from this video is do not have dog food in your garage in the wintertime. And what's even crazier is that he had a car right afterwards come in, and I don't think those were mice. They might have been something else. I'll put the photo in here so you guys can see it. Let me know in the comment section what you think they were. I don't know what they were. He thinks that they're possums. So if you do live in an area where you park your car for long periods of time, you might want to put mint in, maybe in the interior, maybe in the engine bay, because I heard that does deter. So you can spray it in there. You can put it in a bottle, spray it in there. I think mint smells good anyway, so it would probably smell good maybe on the carpet or something like that. But that might help deter them. But nevertheless, your insurance company would cover this. I would actually check to make sure you have that coverage if you don't, especially up north where mice are prevalent. So I hope this was helpful. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to my channel, and I'll see you guys soon.